Hello. We're on a nature walk. What do you guys have to say about it?
Ready to be done.
We've been walking and now we're walking down. But it's been a very long time. I'm with KB and Ethan. Why did they just laugh?
I don't know.
Somebody said Cabby.
Cabby.
K-E-B-B-I.
KB! This is what we've got. I feel like this isn't right. Do you? No, people are following us. It's fine. No, you hold it. I don't know what to do.
Oh, I don't know what to do. Do you want to hold it? Do you have anything to say?
We are in Black Mountain, and
Do a tribal dance. Wait, is this a tribal dance? Can you sing Euphoria?
I think you just saw their tribal dance.
What's the dance that you did when you got out of the car? When you first saw each other, you're like, I don't even remember. I could not stop
You saw
dancing
it.
yesterday.
Here's Kaylin.
Here's Liz. Liz, take it away.
Well, back on our nature walk. And we had to climb. Oh, here's some natural markings.
Natural markings. Natural, really?
Natural markings.
By the black bears.
Oh my gosh, we saw two black bears. Yes. Now you do a dance,
Why?
cause we're a tribal people.
I don't.
Tribal dance. Just do like
I don't
this.
dance.
Do something like that. Yeah.
I don't know what that was.
Yes, that was good. Thank you, KB. Okay,
I really don't remember this.
just keep going.
Are we really going the right way? Liz, are you still making a video?
Yeah. I'll end it now.